Today's agenda is built for builders. Everything we cover today is designed to help you build and ship higher quality solutions on HubSpot's developer platform so that all of your customers and all of our customers can grow better. We'll cover a variety of topics, including the value behind our new combined developer accounts and how to convert your existing accounts, new extensibility mechanisms you can use to build more capable HubSpot apps once you migrate to the latest developer platform version, and how to build a more seamless app installation flow so our mutual customers can easily connect with your services with ours in a single flow. Let's first take a step back. 2025 was probably the fastest year most of us have ever experienced as developers and builders. Delivering value and remaining competitive meant moving fast, shipping broad, and iterating constantly. We as HubSpot built quickly, learned from what landed, and shipped products we are genuinely proud of. And that speed gave us something else valuable, a wealth of customer feedback and clear signal of where developers and customers are actually finding value on our platform. And that clarity is what 2026 is going to be built on. This is the year we continue to go deep and our year focusing on quality. And the first step to unlocking the year of quality is through our HubSpot Developer Platform. If you are building for HubSpot, no matter what you are building, adopting our new developer platform is the first step to delivering outsized customer value in the AI era. And this unified app framework is the gateway to everything new when building on HubSpot. It gives you modern, consistent, and a more productive way to build on HubSpot. Equipped with new AI-native developer documentation platform, you can build faster with AI, and we've even seen a whole new builder audience activated to build on HubSpot, especially for those willing to tinker with new and emerging coding agents. And last but not least, a central home for all of your integration information keeps you in the flow, and paired with a guided getting started building experience, gets new builders started without all of the friction. Additionally, this new unified platform is a gateway to more capable HubSpot extensibility. CRM customization is more powerful than ever before with React-based UI extensions. Recent improvements mean more capable and flexible UI components and more embeddable surface area in HubSpot, so your apps can show up in more places across HubSpot's UI. This also now includes a full page app space that you can make entirely your own. Modern developer tooling, including our development MCP server, equips your coding agent of choice with the tools necessary to become a HubSpot development expert. Our platform also provides access to our rich public API, including the HubSpot Remote CRM MCP server, so you can easily integrate your own custom AI agents or AI native products with our customers' rich CRM context. App objects give you more control over your own data schemas, giving customers a way to store and manage your app's unique data directly in HubSpot. And paired with app events, they unlock custom data models that work across any HubSpot customer tier. And this is just scratching the surface. There's so much more. There's going to be a lot of exciting new developments and features dropping across our spring and fall spotlights this year. And we can't wait to show you all of it. We know it's going to be a lot to take in, a lot of releases, a lot of new updates, but we're not leaving you to figure it out alone. We'll guide you through every update with future Playground events, so you have everything you need to build faster and drive more value on HubSpot. Thank you so much for joining us today. We genuinely appreciate you being here and taking the time to invest in what we're building together. We hope you're so fired up. Today's sessions are designed to get you hands-on and moving on the new platform. Whether you're just getting started or looking to go deeper, there's something here for everyone. So you should be able to join the first deep dive session right now.